map. So I think we can just run some existing conditions drawings and see what we get. All right. So I'm going to hit the plan generator and we're going to go with an existing conditions plan. That is really the only plan I need. I just need, I just want to like work with a space plan. All right. So existing conditions plan right now is all I need. So when I click setup project, watch what happens here. We get all these scenes that just get knocked out so quickly by the ConDoc plan generator. And so now you can take a look at them. You know, you can see like here's light and heavy and hatch A. All right. So when all these are put together, it creates one complete plan. And you don't have to do that yourself either. You just click the drawing export, kick it out at 1/4 inch, send to layout. Sounds good. And we'll save it and head over here to layout. Now in layout, I'm just going to start a new document while that's exporting. I'm going to do 11 by 17 landscape. And that's kind of a good, I think that's going to be a good scale for 1/4 inch. You can see that this is done exporting. I just click design like that. And we're back to good there. And then over here in layout, I can go to my ConDoc drawings. There's my plan at 1/4 inch. I swear this is the first time I'm doing this project. I did, you know, sometimes I do practice some tutorials and make sure that things are going to work out. But I got to tell you, this is the first time on this one. I'm going to turn off my grid snap. 1/4 inch is going to be perfect on 11 by 17. You know, it's actually possible I could do 8.5 by 11. Let me see if I can get away with an 8.5 by 11. Yeah, I mean, I don't really, you know, with these existing conditions drawings, and these are my windows above, so we'll address that. Let's take a look at that here in a minute. But anyway, existing conditions drawings, I mean, all I'm going to do is tape this to my desk and roll some trace over it and start arranging the furniture or start figuring out what I'm going to do here. So this isn't like a drawing where I need a ton of room to annotate, you know. I could just say like, you know, this is going to be my existing conditions plan. So I suppose I could just nudge it up on the page. You know, that's fine. I'll say, just to make sure I look professional here, I'll say, you know, floor plan or existing floor plan is probably a good way to say it, like that. It's at 1/4 inch. Okay, so the one thing that did not do what I really wanted it to do is, well, I guess a couple things. Like, you know, for one, these upper cabinets are showing over on top of these guys. So I'm going to make a 2D graphic for this, and I'm going to make it a dashed line. These windows, I mean, technically the windows should, I don't know if they should show or not. I mean, I guess I would think about that. I mean, what would be somewhat of value in this drawing is knowing where the soffits are landing. This is all good. This needs a dashed line. I want to draw on the soffits. So let's just chip away. If you like this video, click the BD button in the top left to subscribe to our channel. Click the video in the top right to see the next tutorial in this playlist. Click the video in the bottom right to go back to the first tutorial in this playlist and see it from the beginning. Click the link in the middle to learn more. I'll see you in the next tutorial.